Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing the silicon silver exterior colour. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Located within the boot, you can find your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps a caravan for those weekend getaways. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it does have a range of up to 32 miles. On a 7 kilowatt charge, it can take up to 2.5 hours to charge. On a 50 kilowatt charger, from 0 to 80%, it can take up to 30 minutes. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 13,427 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, along with wade sensing and terrain response drive information, making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring you stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You are also able to either stow or deploy the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. And you also have a 360 view camera with a off-road feature, and of course the 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Now, the front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This car also features a clear sight interior rear view mirror, just to help provide you with an unobstructed view of what may be behind you. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P400e X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.